Hello guys, we are back with the second regular Sudoku in this daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, still Friday, November the 20th, 2020. The last regular Sudoku is a Sudoku Heavy. And this one will be a number 1911. 1911. Yes. Let me position the camera. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26. I have already counted. 26. You can count this again to check if I'm right. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. In the middle, a row, we have here 4 missing numbers. Let me see. No, I cannot do this. Because we have a 2 there. Yes, 2. No. Correct. 4 missing numbers in the middle of a row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have an 8 and a 9 in this big square, so no 8 and a 9 in those 2 boxes. The 8 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you, 8 and a 9. That means the other 2 missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers missing in this big square, the 7 and the 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. We see there 1. So no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 9 and the 3. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number? The number. All right. Let me think. I think I need to mark some boxes. It's taking too long. Well, we have here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes there, and 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be there or could be here. So in the first row, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third row, we have an 8 in over there. In this third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Then let me put here also an 8. Need to mark some boxes because I need pairs to eliminate some numbers. Alright, so now let me think. A 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes in this big square. There 2, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here or could be there in this big square. Alright, how about 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. The only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. You see there 2, no 2 there, 2 could be here, could be there. How about in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. And then 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 6. These 3 missing numbers in this row, one of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 could be here, could be there. The 2 is also missing in this row. We see there 2, so no 2 in this box, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 4, 7, 6, 4, 7, 6. Okay. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. 9. Yes, in this column, one of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. One of these two boxes in this big square is a 9, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 9. So the 9 could be here or could be there. Let me mark those. 9. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. There 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, a 9 in the second row. So on the third row, only 2 places for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the middle column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 could be here, could be there. Come on, I need pairs. Pairs aren't coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. 4, 6 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. 4, 6 and 7. 2, 3, 5, 9. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 7, 6, 9. And 7, 6, 9, and 7. No, I cannot fill this yet. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. No. 8, 8. It's taking too long. Ah, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 here. Stupid. This cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 1. This should be a 2. Overlooked this 2. So now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And now I've eliminated this 3. So the 3 goes in these. This box. 3. Yeah. This should be the 3. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes in there. Here. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated 2, so the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. So this box should be a 2, and I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes in there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. So this should be a 5. Alright. 2 boxes left. The 6 and the 4 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 6, 6, so these should be the 6s here. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a pair 6 in this row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the 6s goes in these 2 boxes together with the 9 as a pair. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and I've eliminated the 9, the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 7 and the 4. Let me mark those for you. Yes. So we need a 6, we need an 8 here in the second row, and we need a 2 here. We see there 2, we see there 2, so no 2s in those 2 boxes. The 2 goes there, and I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. We have an 8 already here. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, only 2 places for the 6. I have marked those with the 6, so this should be a 6. This goes away. How about the 8? No, the 8 I cannot. Those 2 numbers, 7 and a 4. No, cannot fill this yet. 7 and the 4 and the 8 I need. No. 5. How about the 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 7 and a 4. Let me mark those again. I cannot fill this yet. We have a pair here. So these should be, we have 7 and a 4 as a pair. So these should be 8 and a 9 as a pair. The 9 cannot be here because I have marked those two boxes with a 9. So this should be an 8, and this should be a 9. One box left in the middle, a row for the number 9, for the number 8. Excuse me, yes. 7 and a 4, yes. Let me see. 749, yes. 2 boxes left in the first column, the 9 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there, and I've eliminated the 9 there, so 1 box left for the 9 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in the second column for the number 7. Those 3 missing numbers are the 4 is missing, 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 8, 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3, 7, and 8, 2 numbers left in this row, the 7 and the 8. Let me mark those. That means 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Yeah. 7 and the 8. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9. 7 and the 4 are left in this column. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 4. This should be a 7. 7 and the 8. No. How about those? The 3 and the 8. 3 and the 8. No. 7 and the 8. How about those? 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there in this row. Now I have eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left for the 3 and 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be a 7. Final 2 numbers of this big square, the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in additional. Bye bye for now.